sister in Kramářova villa. It's on the hill. Maybe you can see it now. Tak, na pravé straně za těmi stromy budete snad moc za chvíli vidět Strakovou akademii, tedy sídlo vlády. Nahoře nad sídlem vlády je poté Kramářova vila, které je sídlo premiéra, a zapomněla jsem zmínit, že Pražský hrad je sídlem prezidenta České republiky. So that bank of the river, we call it the bank of the power, and that one the bank of the knowledge, of education, because there are some faculties of law, philosophy, and others.
Many others.
Art. Yeah. Now behind me on the hill, which is called Letna, you can see a red thing which is not moving now, but it's a metronome. Metronome, yeah. Before. Before there stood a huge statue of Joseph Stalin, but after his death,
they exploded.
yeah, they decided to destroy the statue, and today you can see the metronome, who normally has to show the justice of time, which is still passing, but it's not working now. I don't know why.